Are you having troubles on your Plex applications by not working? Is your Plex application not working currently? Well, here are some things that you can try to make sure that it gets to working again. First, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to an internet connection. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any network issues while using the application. And if that doesn't solve the problem, you can simply tap and hold onto your Plex application and simply remove the app from here. After that, you want to go to your app store and install the app again. On the search bar, you want to type in, and after you've seen the application, simply tap on download to download the app again. By doing so, it restarts the app and you shouldn't be facing any problems the next time you log in. However, if there is any other kinds of problem in the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.